Look at this 2005 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. Carfax has certified this Silverado 2500 HD as having one owner. This Silverado 2500 HD has just under 56,000 miles. For your protection, a warranty is available for this vehicle. This Silverado 2500 HD boasts a 6.6-liter turbo engine and has an unspecified transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include power steering, CD player, tow package, driver airbag and daytime running lights. Call 866-655-8722 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.